Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about power. And I know we've talked generators and stuff and everything going on here, but I want to talk to you about your rechargeable batteries. Now, so long as you have power for, the grid power and stuff going on, you have plug-in chargers, you plug them in and you charge your batteries up. And if you're like me, you have a lot of extra batteries. You test them and you go through them all, make sure they're fully charged and stuff, so that when something happens, you can have a lot of batteries to go through for lights and stuff to keep you going. But what happens if the power outage goes on for weeks? What are you going to do then? Because you're probably going to run out of fully charged batteries. One of the things I want to suggest to you is to get a solar powered battery charger. Now it can be one of those just small solar panels about this big, and it charges up 2 or 3 batteries at a time, and that's it. And that works great. They have ones that are a little bit bigger and have a better panel for it, and they can charge up to 8 batteries fairly quickly. And so those are options. And another thing to consider is those walkway lights, those solar powered walkway lights that, they charge up during the daytime and then at night they run the light for the walkway. Well, those are generally are AA batteries. And you need AA batteries, there's a source to charge them out, because generally speaking, if the power's out, you don't want to have your walkway lights on and someone goes, "Ooh, they got lights, I'm going to steal them." So you use them to charge your AA batteries and keep them charged. All right, so think about, is a solar powered battery charger something you need to get? All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, batteries, and a charger. Also, add a new skill every month. And another thing to consider is grow an indoor garden. We're going to be doing an indoor garden challenge next year, and now is the perfect time to practice, because the vegetables in the stores, you really don't want them. You will need to grow your own food.